Actually, it was 10 o'clock in the evening. My brother called and said, "Hey, you want a job?" He said, "Can you be here at midnight?" So I started at midnight to 6 while I was still in high school.
Only one could imagine what Salem would look like if Mannington wasn't here. It would almost be similar to a ghost town.
It's sort of known to be the place that if you can get a job there, you should stay there, and the majority of the people do.
This is one of the last vestiges where you can actually get a manufacturing job, earn a living, and sustain your family.
It gives me pride as an American citizen to know that I work for a company that's committed to keeping jobs here in the United States.